Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch Popstar TV on your Hisense Smart TV. This is quite easy. Make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what you have to do is to come over to your apps and try to find out if you have the application installed. So you can just launch for there. So here's it here. I already have it installed. Now if you don't have it installed, what you have to do, just go back to your app store and launch it, and on your app store you are going to search for the application which is Popstar. So I'm just going to go over here, click search, and I type in name application which is Popstar, and here's it over here. And since I already have it installed, I can just go ahead and click OK, and the application is going to launch on my Hisense Smart TV. So as the application launched, this is how the system looks like. Now you can see you can watch live. You need to agree to all of these, accept privacy settings and so on. And if you click OK on that live, you can start watching the TV live. And that's how to watch Popstar live on your Hisense Smart TV.